organizational values, philosophies, and culture. Another question, ma'am, as a leader, or anchored on your leadership experience, what do you think are the leadership skills that you find most useful today? Perhaps the participant is asking about the most essential skills, the soft skills, the hard skills.
Para sa akin, Para sa akin, communication is very important. For a leader who influences, and you inspire people to see your cause, di ba? Kailangan you have to have a very skillful way of saying things, communicating things. Kasi how can you influence? How can you inspire? You know, of course you can show them the way. I think Jesus Christ showed them the way. You know, when he told his initial 12 apostles, "Come and follow me," he was showing the way as to how to spread the gospel, diba? You know? But not everyone is Jesus Christ, you know? I mean, you know, ako ilang beses akong napako sa krus you know? During my life, you know, my lifetime, ilang beses akong, I mean, you know, things did not go my way, you know? So, if I just show the way, at napako ako sa krus, baka mamaya, yung bang, it might turn out negative, no? Imbes na makapag-inspire ka, hindi ka naka-inspire, you know? Pero, yeah, I think communication is one of the top things to develop. When when you train, you know, when you conduct training, leadership training, kailangan, very important facet ang communication skills. Develop communication skills. Communication, kitang-kita mo sa isang tao, pagka mabuting tao siya, no? And he's a good leader, bibilib ka from the way he communicates things. Of course, maganda rin from the way they show things, you know. Pero it's not very easy to show things, to show the way. It's not very easy because nobody really just have the time to follow you, you know. Like what the apostles did, you know. They dropped everything, their fishnet and everything, you know. And they followed Jesus everywhere he went. Hirap yun. But communicating is very good. Kasi that's what the apostles did. When they spread out the gospel, they communicated. Diba? Okay. So, I hope that answers it.
Yes, ma'am. Actually, we are very happy about the discussion. Even if you said a while ago na parang wala kang ma-share, ma'am. But we don't believe because you were able to cover a lot of topics under leadership, highlighting on your experiences as a library leader.
I have too many. Yung mga nabanggit kong mga personal experience ko are very far, few, and in between, you know? Mas marami pa dyan na I prefer to keep quiet about, you know? Kasi talagang I have been into many controversies, period. So I'd rather keep quiet, and I think naman na having been chosen as an outstanding professional librarian, which culminated my career, no, in librarianship, I think it speaks well of the life I have made for myself. May last question pa.
Aside from
Akala ko magpapasalamat na ako eh.
Sige. Last na lang, ma'am,
No,
aside
no,
from
no.
the many accomplishments, or aside from the many things that you have already accomplished, are there other things you want to accomplish? Or aside from the many?
Are there other things? You know, I'm 75. I am leaving it. I am leaving it to the younger generations, many of whom were under my wings. My wings. And I have a big wingspan. No? So I can say na marami-rami din ang aking mga na-develop, no? Among the younger generations. I hope I have inspired them enough to continue our advocacies, all our advocacies, no? Never to yung resist any forces that may impede the growth and development of libraries. I'm not just academic libraries. Of course, I'm focused on academic libraries and school libraries. Pero, in general, every library is my concern. So, anyone who will help bring about change towards improving our libraries, andyan ako. Andyan ako sa likod niyo.
Thank you, ma'am, for the vote of confidence. So, any last words, ma'am, for our young and inspired before I say my words of gratitude, no, to you?
Nagpapasalamat ako. At least, napaunlakan kita. Napaunlakan ko ang Fly CERLC. Tama ba yun? CERLC? But anyway, I am very grateful na with your persistence, I agreed to hold this talk. Pero sabi ko nga sa'yo, if it's more like a conversation. I don't want to lecture because I cannot lecture on leadership. Really, it's not my bag. It's not my topic. I am not a guru on management and leadership, no, organizational leadership.